friends to ASF Tutorials. This topic is the continuation of our previous video. In previous video we discussed type 2 of particular integral with example. Now we will be discussing type 3. Before going to type 3, guys, if you have not subscribed till now, please subscribe it and share it to others and do like the page. Along with that, our polynomial here, the function phi of x is given as a0 x bar n plus a1 x bar n minus 1 plus so on till a constant. This general solution is not a bit complicated here. If you have a higher degree, our polynomial will be decreasing to its lower degree till a constant. For example, we have 2x square. This 2x square will be decreased to x and a constant, like 2x square plus x plus 1. It will be decreasing. So this is a polynomial. Here, for solving this, normally our yp particular integral is phi of x by f of d. Here phi of x is this, correct? And f of d will consider some function. This thing is obtained only by a normal direct division. Like our yp will be equal to, this is our dividend and this is our divider. So the answer which we will obtain, this is our yp. So to understand this completely, we'll solve an example. Example based on type 3. When you see the question, this is a heterogeneous and this equation is a polynomial. When it is a polynomial, what we'll do? First we'll find complementary function as well as particular integral for this polynomial. Now this is our y, this is f of d function of d, that is d square plus 3d plus 2, and this is our function of yp, that is phi of x, that is 2x square plus 4x plus 1, correct? Now first we will calculate yc, then yp, that is complementary function, then particular integral. First we will go to complementary function. For that we will need auxiliary equation, that is f of m equal to 0. Here what is f of m? F of m is this, just replace m wherever d is there. So we'll get m square plus 3m plus 2 equal to 0. We'll solve this. So m square plus 2m plus m plus 2 equal to 0. 2m plus m is 3m. So in first two terms m is common, so m plus 2. In second two terms 1 is common, so m plus 2. In both m plus 2 is common, so we'll get m plus 2 as it is into m plus 1 after taking common. After solving we'll get m equal to minus 1 comma minus 2. Correct, guys? The basic instruction and types of complementary function is explained in previous videos. So please see that videos for understanding this complementary function completely, and that link for this video is given in below description. Now our complementary function yc. Yc is equal to c1 e power first root, that is e power x, plus c2 e power minus 2x, that is second root. So this is our complementary function. We finished half of the equation. Now our aim is to find particular integral, that is yp, that is given by phi of x divided by f of d. What is our phi of x? This is our phi of x. 2x square plus 4x plus 1 divided by f of d is given here, that is d square plus 3d plus 2. So this is our yp. So what I said, this here no need to replace anything, d square, nothing. So directly we should do this by using normal division methods. Before going to that, remember one thing, this thing f of d, write it ulta, like in terms of 2 plus 3d plus d square. Don't write in increasing order. Don't write in decreasing order. Write it in decreasing order, like constant x term, then higher degree of x, then other higher degree of x. Understood? So our yp will be equal to 2x square plus 4x plus 1 divided by 2 plus 3d plus d square. Always write this function in these terms. Now we will divide it. So yp is equal to division of these two terms, that is 2x square plus 4x plus 1, yp will write it afterwards. So divider is this thing, 2 plus 3d plus d square. Correct. Now we should write equations in such form. First term should get cancelled. So here we have 2, 2. Don't write 2, x square. So I'll put x square here. 2 into x square is 2x square. Correct. Plus this term, 3 into d of x, d means differentiation once. So d of x square means 2x. So 2x into 3, 6x. That is 2 into 3x. Correct. So, sorry, 3 into 2x. 3 is this. Then d of x square is 2x. Plus d square of x square is, d of x square is 2x. Correct. Now d square of x square is, that means d of 2x. d of 2x means 2. So this will be 2. Now change the signs to cancel. This and this gets cancelled. I'll get 3 2s are 6. So plus 4 minus 6 is minus 2x. Correct. Plus 4 minus 6 is minus 2x. Plus minus. Plus 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Guys, now we got 2x minus 1. Now we'll eliminate these two terms. Like already we have 2. Here 2, no need to put 2. Minus sign is there, so minus into x. So 2 into minus x is minus 2x. Correct? Minus 2x. Plus 3 as it is. D of x is 1. So that is minus x. No. So d of minus x is minus 1. So d square of x is 0. Correct. So now we'll change the signs. So this is plus. Plus into minus, minus. So minus will change to plus. This thing will get cancelled. So minus 1 into plus 3 is minus 3. When we change the sign, it will be plus. So minus 3 minus 1 plus 3 is plus 2. Correct. Plus 0. That's all. Now we have plus 2 here, plus 2 here. So directly we should multiply by plus 1. Correct. So directly if I multiply by plus 1, 2 into 1 is 2. Change the signs. Cancel. Our answer is done. So our yp is equal to this answer. That is x square minus x plus 1. This is our required yp. Now we'll write our general solution. Here in non-homogeneous general solution, y is given by yc plus yp. Correct? Here yc is obtained here and yp is this. So y is equal to c1 e power minus x plus c2 e power minus 2x plus x square minus x plus 1. This is our required general solution. Guys, this is the simple method of calculating this yp or general solution when it is a type 3 function. If you guys have any doubts in this topic, please leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe, guys, and do share it to other friends. Now in this topic, you guys don't forget that direct multiplication method is very easy. Just keep concentrating on sign changes. Like here in bracket you will be having minus, but don't forget to put plus, so that a minor sign change will lead to a big wrong answer. So please take care on your signs, because in this problem you will do it everything correctly. Only you will get confused in signs. So take care at signs. Not in SCIENCE signs. That is sign. That is minus, plus something. And guys, please be updated. Our next video, like this type T got over. In our next video, I'll be teaching you about type 4 of this topic.